An ancient land, unlike any other in the world for its history, its land, its people. Sardinia is just different. An island that has preserved its uniqueness thanks to thousands of years of isolation. Today, there's a new Sardinia which has decided to leverage not only on its natural heritage, but also on its unique knowledge and skills base. An island where technological innovation and human capital have emerged as the drivers of economic and social renewal and sustainable development. This is the Sardinia that Sardegna Ricerca is working for. Established in 1985 as Consorzio 21, Sardegna Ricerca is the regional agency promoting the island's economic development by focusing on technological innovation and knowledge. In the early 1990s, Sardinia's regional government created CRS4, a supercomputing research center, thus launching the development of the net economy on the island. This spawned pioneering business initiatives, the most outstanding being ISP Tiscali. The new digital technologies overcame the geographical isolation which had so far stifled progress and opened new avenues of economic growth. Biomedicine has an even longer track record. Studies on genetically isolated communities and research conducted by Sardinian scientists of international renown prepared the ground for the development of biotechnologies applied to health. But the most outstanding success of Sardegna Ricerca has been the creation of the Regional Technology Park. A joint initiative of the regional government of Sardinia and the European Union to foster the island's economic development through technological innovation and knowledge. The park provides cutting-edge facilities and services for the location of innovative enterprises and research centers. Opened in July 2003, the park now hosts more than 50 companies and research centers for a total staff of more than 500 working in the sectors of ICTs, biomedicine, bioinformatics and renewable energy sources. The two main centers are at Pula and Alghero, respectively managed by Sardegna Ricerca and Porto Conte Ricerca. Both are surrounded by nature reserves of great beauty. Logistical and architectural choices are in full harmony with the project philosophy, a perfect melding of environment and technology, where high quality of research goes hand in hand with high quality of life. The companies and research centers which choose to set up their operations in the park find welcoming modern facilities, office spaces and technology labs, and the full spectrum of services for innovation and research, ranging from patent assistance to the transfer of results, from training to marketing. To those wishing to start a new business exploiting an innovative concept or the results of research, the Technology Park offers enterprise incubators and tailored solutions, as well as the benefits of working in a community of researchers and entrepreneurs for a broad range of science and technology areas. One of the park's major assets is the presence of various technology platforms providing scientific equipment, devices and know-how for collective use, essential tools for those engaged in research and innovation. Just a few years after its foundation, Sardinia's park has become one of the leading technology parks in Italy. Its initiatives have created spin-offs for the island's economy, spawning new high-tech enterprises, offering new employment opportunities to young graduates, and enabling many expatriate Sardinian researchers to return to the island. This ongoing innovation process is now addressing the new challenges and prospects opened by the joint commitment of the European Union, of the national and regional governments to develop the ICT, biomedicine and RES districts on the island. The ICT district will promote research and development and pilot implementation projects based on close collaboration between research centers, university and enterprises, producing innovative applications and services with high growth potential. The Biomedicine District will set up a local network of enterprises and research centers for the creation, clinical trial and implementation of new biotech medicines. This, in a nutshell, is Sardegna Ricerca, an open forward-looking science and technology community pursuing development through knowledge and advanced technologies. A great project that will help improve the welfare of the whole population. Sardegna Ricerca, where research becomes enterprise.